What if you could sip your way to a healthier, more radiant skin? Enter the world of collagen pink latte tea. This isn't just your average cup of tea, oh no. This is a beauty beverage that's taking the wellness world by storm. So, what is this collagen pink latte tea? Well, it's a delightful blend of edible collagen, beetroot powder, and your favorite milk. Collagen, a protein that's naturally present in our bodies, is known for its skin-loving properties. It's the secret ingredient that gives this latte its skin-boosting powers. Making this collagen-infused pink latte is as simple as brewing a cup of tea. The first step involves mixing a spoonful of collagen powder and beetroot powder in a cup of hot water. Stir until the powders dissolve completely, creating a vibrant pink infusion. Then steam your favorite milk and pour it into the cup. It's that simple. Now, onto the key points about this collagen pink latte tea. It's not just a pretty pink drink. It's a wellness powerhouse packed with benefits. Firstly, it's a great source of collagen, which is known to improve skin elasticity and reduce wrinkles. Yes, you heard it right. This pink latte could actually help you achieve that youthful glow you've always dreamed of. Secondly, the beetroot powder gives the latte its distinctive pink hue, but it's not just for show. Beetroot is packed with antioxidants and is known to support heart health and boost your immune system. And lastly, this collagen pink latte is customizable. You can use any milk you prefer, from dairy to oat, even almond. You can also adjust the sweetness to your liking, making it a perfect fit for everyone's palate. So, there you have it. A cup of collagen pink latte tea is not just a beverage, it's a beauty routine, a wellness ritual, and a delightful treat all rolled into one. It's time to rethink what a cup of tea can do for you.